Trust is powerful. It's the bedrock of any successful team, the foundation upon which strong relationships are built. But it's also incredibly fragile. Like delicate glass, it can shatter easily. What's the fastest way to lose it? To see that trust crumble before your very eyes. It's simple. Say one thing out and then do another. Inconsistency is the enemy of trust. Preach work-life balance from the rooftops. Then send emails at midnight expecting immediate responses. Trust instantly gone. Inconsistency in your actions and words makes you unreliable in the eyes of your team. People will quickly stop believing in what you say, and more importantly, in you. Playing favorites within the team? That's pure poison to team dynamics. It divides the team, creates resentment, and ultimately kills motivation and productivity. Constantly blaming others for your own mistakes or shortcomings? That's instant trust demolition right there. Real leaders take responsibility and own up to their errors. Micromanagement sends a clear message. I don't trust you to do your job. It crushes morale and stifles creativity. Break confidentiality, share sensitive information, or actively hide the truth from your team. And trust will evaporate faster than you can imagine. A lack of transparency makes people feel like they're just cogs in a machine, not valued teammates. Trust, once lost, can vanish in a single moment of betrayal, and rebuilding that trust is always a tough uphill battle. So avoid these common traps at all costs if you want to maintain a high trust environment. So, how exactly do you build that trust back up after it's been damaged? Let's get into the specifics of rebuilding trust. Next scene. Building trust takes work. It requires consistent effort and a genuine commitment to fostering strong relationships, but it's absolutely doable and the rewards are immense. A high-trust environment fosters innovation, collaboration, and overall success. First, and perhaps most importantly, be consistent in your actions and words. Do what you say you're going to do every single time. Follow through is key. Reliability is the foundation upon which trust is built. Your word should mean something. It should be your bond. Own your mistakes without hesitation. Admit them quickly and honestly. Don't try to sweep them under the rug. People respect vulnerability and integrity far more than they respect perfection. Communicate openly and transparently. Share the why behind your decisions, providing context and rationale. Transparency keeps rumors at bay and fosters a sense of shared understanding and ultimately builds buy-in and commitment from your team. Empower your team members. Delegate real responsibility, giving them ownership of their work, and trust them to deliver. Providing support but avoiding micromanagement. This builds their confidence and fosters trust in your leadership. Listen more than you talk. Actively seek out and value their input. Act on feedback, demonstrating that their voices are heard and respected. Get to know your people as individuals. Understand their aspirations and concerns. Show you genuinely care about their well-being and success. All these actions, consistently applied, add up to a team that trusts you implicitly and trusts each other to perform at their best. It's not always glamorous, but it's incredibly effective and it works wonders. But remember, trust isn't just about what you do on the outside, what people see. Let's delve a little deeper and talk about what's under the hood, the internal aspects. Moving on to the next scene. Trust starts from the inside out. You can't fake it. Your team will know. It begins with self-awareness. This is what built foundation of our entire course. Know your strengths, weaknesses, and blind spots. Be passionate and genuinely care about your work and people. Stay curious and humble. Keep learning. This is your inner engine. Without it, everything else falls apart. Once your core is solid, your actions, strategy, influence, accountability show your true character. People trust leaders who know where they're going and inspire others. Empathy and inclusion are essential. Make everyone feel safe and valued. When people belong, trust follows. The inner-out model, strong core, strong leadership. Let's wrap it up. Final scene. Building trust and confidence is a journey, not a checkbox. There will be good days and bad days. Keep learning and improving. 4 essentials: honesty, reliability, discipline, commitment. If one is missing, you're stuck. These aren't buzzwords. They're the foundation of character. Think of yourself as a project car. Always room to improve. Every small, consistent action adds up to real trust. That's how you become a leader people want to follow. Focus on your inner engine. Commit to your team and trust will follow. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen. Build something special, powerful, resilient, ready for anything. Now get out there and drive.